I'm Neil, and I'm the teacher.
And I'm Sean, and I'm the deal maker.
Together, we're the Rise Guys.
Welcome, I'm Neil. Today we are talking about a situation every real estate professional hopes they never face, but absolutely needs to be prepared for. A client gives you a direct, unlawful instruction. What you do next could define your entire career. Your client turns to you and says they want to use fabricated financial statements to get a better price. This has a name. It is misrepresentation. And RECA is crystal clear. It is a false or misleading statement, and it is a serious breach of professional conduct. It's like a tug of war. On one side, your fiduciary duty to your client. You must obey lawful instructions. That word lawful changes everything. On the other side is an even bigger duty, your duty to the public, to the profession, to act honestly and uphold the law. You do not say no. Instead, you say, I understand your objective. Let me consult with my broker's legal counsel to find the best lawful strategy to get you what you want. You are still on their team. You are just looking for a legal path to win. And you involve your broker, who is ultimately responsible for your actions. If your client digs in and insists on using the fake numbers after legal counsel has advised against it, the protocol is absolutely clear. You must terminate your service agreement with the client in writing, and this is a non-negotiable hard line. Once a client insists on an unlawful act, you have a duty to sever the relationship. There is no other option. Stakes are incredibly high for everyone. For you, it means RECA sanctions, personal liability, losing your license. For your brokerage, their entire license is on the line. And for the client you thought you were helping, they are facing voided contracts and potential fraud charges. Nobody wins. When you boil it all down, your highest duty is not to a single client. It is to the public interest and to the integrity of the entire real estate profession. That is what separates a professional from an order taker. Before you go, new webinar summary every week. Subscribe so you never miss one.